Okay, what's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon. Guys, we're going to just keep right on keeping on as we continue our conversation about how to make money online, how to make money working from home, or how to even start your own business. And today, we're going to talk about that and from a different approach, because I think sometimes you have to hear something or see something from another angle as opposed to the angle you may be accustomed to seeing it as you watch different marketing systems and money making opportunities online. And I think the reason why people do that and the reason why I do such a wide variety of different videos, because I want to make sure that I cover every angle of making money from home. Because sometimes people they doing videos and they're doing it like they're talking to mid-level or seasoned internet marketers or mid-level or seasoned offline marketers, entrepreneurs, people who already got their own business. So I always try to come at this money making opportunities and working from home and things like that from a brand new person's perspective. And so today when we talk about making money from home or starting your own business, guys, basically what we do in a nutshell is we sell information. Okay, we sell information, and basically it's how-to information. I just in my last video I talked about the how-to industry being a multi-billion, if not multi-trillion dollar industry, right? How to lose weight, how to teach yourself a foreign language, you know what I mean? How to whatever, right? Go Google anything with how to, guys, and the search results are going to blow your mind. But when you think about that in those search results, just think about how vast, how broad the how to industry is in and of itself. Now, when we talk about making money from home, guys, all that really is at the end of the day, guys, is showing people how to do something. And in this instance, we're showing people how to make money working from home, whether it's online or whether it's offline. Now, when you selling how-to information, right, keep this in mind. I said it's a multi-billion, if not a multi-trillion dollar industry. What does that mean? A lot of people don't want to go out and do the research. A lot of people don't want to go out and put together their own product. So when we talk about the how to make money online niche, right, all I do and most of the people that I do, all they do, guys, is give people the information that shows them how to do what it is they're trying to learn how to do so they can do it too. If you want to make money online, learn how to share information to show other people how to make money online, right? I said in all my videos all the time, if you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, then you can truly get what it is you want in life, right? So as of late, you guys heard me talking a lot about my instant payment method, right? And the instant payment method is really a business in a box, guys, okay? The instant payment method comes with all types of video training, tutorials that you guys can simply tap into so that you can start teaching yourself how to sell how-to information. But the instant payment method, just like everything else that I do, it doesn't just come with the blocks of training and the modules of instruction with videos and Facebook groups and all that great stuff. It comes with a duplicatable, replicatable system that goes out and actually markets this business in a box for you. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like, if you wanted to sit down and put together your own how-to money-making product, guys, do you understand what you'd have to go through? First of all, we're talking about video hosting, videos. We're talking about copywriting. We're talking about payment methods. All of these things got to be done. Costs a lot of money to go out and try to set it up yourself if you're trying to set up the type of funnel and system that you're going to see with the instant payment method. But even if you did it on your own, it didn't cost a lot. It's very time consuming. I don't sell anything but other people's products, guys, okay? I just get behind other people's products and I use myself kind of like a preview in a commercial to position myself in front of my target audience, right? And I show people how to make money online, okay? Selling, marketing, promoting information. And that's exactly what you guys are going to learn more about with the instant payment method. But keep in mind that it's an automated how-to information problem solving system, right? It's a system with everything included, right? And so you guys see me doing a lot of videos on my instant payment method. A lot of you guys have come through this funnel. You guys see what it does, right? And I want you guys to remember that what you see happening when you opt into my website, it's nothing that I'm doing. The system is doing it. All of it is doing all of it for me, and it's doing it all for me on complete automation. Now, today I want you guys to listen closely to what I'm saying, because when we talk about starting your own business and selling how-to information, we talk about selling how-to information that's going to allow other people to start making money from home. You're the problem solver. But if you wanted to get into a business like this, really simply and easy, guys, you can do it for less than $500. Right? You can do it for less than $400. And that's just the truth. But when you do, guys, let me show you what I showed you guys the other day. Because what I'm doing is I've already got the postcards, guys. I got the actual postcard yesterday. And I tried to do a video on it, guys, and somehow I kicked myself out of my mobile device, so I couldn't upload the video on YouTube. So now I can't get on my camera from this from my desktop, and now, guys, I'm having problems getting on YouTube from my mobile device. You talk about things going wrong sometimes, but I'm thinking about what's going right now, guys. I guess my first 1,500 postcards. You guys know I purchased that domain name. This is the front of the actual postcard. My domain name is lifechangingconcept.com. And if you go over here, guys, you get to see the back of that actual postcard. And this is it. And again, you got my domain name down here, guys. And look, once you're inside the instant payment method, you know you're going to be redirected to all the great training. Not very much, because it's very direct. But one of the things you're going to be able to get instant access to is this postcard template, right? And I can tell you guys, I'm not even going to tell you what they cost, because you're not going to believe me anyway. But the point is, once you have these postcards, guys, and you have your domain name, which I talked about the importance and the power of having a domain name. $11 down here, guys. Lifechangingconcept.com. I just bought the third one the other day because I'm building out all the websites with dedicated domains. But you put your we're gonna talk about this in another video. You put your business opportunity seeker lead right here. It's gonna come to you on a pill and stick label. These are people who are diligently looking for ways to make money from home. And you'll paste that, you'll put that right there. We're going to talk about how, and it's going to be, you're going to put your stamp up here, guys, right? And you're going to mail that bad boy. You're going to pop it in the mailbox, and you're going to let this beautiful postcard go to work for you. If you're a person who don't want to be involved in online marketing as such, you just mail this postcard, guys. And when you visit my website, right? Let's get back there for a second. You're going to see the presentation of everything that it is you're going to have instant access to as a member, okay, of the instant payment method. I'm not even going to go into all that, because you're going to get to see, everything that you're going to have instant access to. But what I'm saying to you guys is, if you're not interested in the online marketing version of the instant payment method, just pop over here. Once you're inside, you're going to have a members area, guys, and just go down and get yourself a couple of hundred postcards. You got to start with a minimum of 500, but you're going to have all the training that you need on everything that you need. And you can get these postcards, you get your domain name, you hook it all up, all of which you can do in a day, less than a day, actually. And then you set a goal, right? You set a goal. Your goal may be to mail 100 of them every week. It might be to mail 200 every week. It might be to mail 500 every month. But when you see the system in and of itself, guys, and you will understand how it can go to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. So I'm doing these, I'm continuing the conversation about making money from home, starting your own business, because I got the postcards now. Now I'm waiting for the opportunity seeker buyers' names, right? And so that's all done. But of course, I'm tying some loose ends up. And so it's just one of the slower times of the year now, a great time to get yourself positioned for this type of opportunity. And so I'm in no rush. The only thing I want to do is keep continuing the conversation about how anybody can start their own business, how anybody can start making extra income online, guys. And you can do it mailing a simple postcard once you're plugged into the instant payment method. How cool is that? Anyway, like I always do, I'm going to leave YouTube, in this YouTube video, I'm going to leave a link for my instant payment method in the YouTube video description. Now, if you guys are finding me any other way, there will be a button down here that says get instant access. Go ahead on, guys. Click that button and we'll unlock the free video and the training to the instant payment method automated how-to information problem solving system. One that you can use to market and sell to others to make money working from home, online or offline. Be there, guys. I think it's going to get you guys excited, and it's the best of both worlds. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for sitting in.